Hello and welcome to another episode of Wildlife Crystal. I'm your host, Wildlife Crystal, a wild animal specialist. As you know, on this show, Wildlife Crystal, we are going to be learning facts about one animal and their environment every episode. I am here with my very special co-host, the one, the only, Kaia the Koala.
Hi everyone! I am so excited to learn about our animal of the day. Can you give us some clues, Crystal?
All right, Kaia. Get ready for this one. I'm going to give you guys 4 clues, and I want you all to try and guess which animal we're talking about today. 1, they have bright, colorful feathers and love to talk. 2, they can mimic sounds and even say words like a human. 3, they have a curved beak that's perfect for cracking nuts and seeds. And 4, they often live in tropical places and enjoy flying high in the sky. Okay, everyone, go ahead. Try and guess. I'll give you 5 seconds.
I got it! Is it the parrot?
That's correct! Our animal of the day is the parrot!
They are so beautiful! Can you tell us some fun facts about them?
Yes, they are beautiful, Kaia. There are about 393 different species of parrots found all around the world, mostly in tropical and subtropical areas. It's like having a colorful parade of parrots from every corner of the globe. Macaws are big and bright, living in the rainforests of Central and South America. African gray parrots are smart and can talk, coming from Africa. Cockatoos have cool crests and are found in Australia and nearby islands. Budgies are small, friendly, and come from Australia's grasslands. Amazons are green with colorful feathers and live in Central and South American forests. These parrots are loved for their beauty and playful nature.
Wow! Parrots sound amazing! What makes them so colorful?
Parrots are famous for their bright and colorful feathers. They can be green, yellow, blue, red, even a mix of these colors. Their vibrant feathers make them so beautiful. Not to forget, parrots can live a long time. Some of them can live up to 80 years or more.
That is so pretty. But I heard parrots can talk. Is that true?
Yes, parrots are mimic masters. They can mimic sounds and human speech. Some parrots can learn hundreds of words and phrases. The African gray parrot is known to be the best talker among parrots. He can mimic human speech very accurately, often surprising people with their conversational skills. Not only that, parrots in general are very intelligent. They can solve puzzles and even use tools to get food. Their clever minds make them some of the smartest animals and birds around.
That's amazing! But how do they eat with those strong beaks?
Great question, Kaia. Parrots have strong beaks that can crack open nuts and seeds, their favorite foods. Their beaks are like powerful nutcrackers, allowing them to enjoy tasty treats in the wild. Parrots are truly fascinating birds. Did you know they have zygodactyl feet?
Zygo what, Crystal?
Zygodactyl feet. It means 2 toes point forward and 2 point backwards. This unique foot structure helps parrots climb and grip branches like little acrobats in the trees.
That's so cool! Are they friendly?
Parrots are very social creatures. Many parrots usually mate for life and stay with their partner year-round. It's like having a lifelong friend to share the ups and downs of life in the wild. They live in flocks and communicate with each other using squawks and other sounds. Parrots have muscular tongues that help them make these sounds and manipulate food. It's their tool that helps them enjoy their meals and communicate with their fellow parrots.
That sounds like fun, but how can they see at night?
While parrots have good vision and can see in color during the day, they cannot see well at night. At night, parrots often sleep standing on one leg, balancing on a tree branch. They can tuck the other leg up and keep it warm while they rest.
This is amazing! Can you tell us what they eat?
Of course! They just love seeds and nuts. Besides that, parrots also enjoy munching on fruits, flowers, and even insects. It's like they have a buffet of delicious treats to choose from in the forest.
That sounds yummy. Where do they live?
Parrots usually nest in tree hollows, creating cozy homes in the branches. However, some species, like ground-dwelling parrots, build nests on the ground. It's like they're the architects of their own little birdhouses. Besides this, parrots are some impressive flyers. Some species can fly as fast as 40 to 50 miles per hour, zooming through the sky with grace and agility. This speed allows them to go outside, find food, and return home very quickly.
That's amazing! Do parrots have names?
Wild parrots in some species actually name their chicks using unique calls for each one. It's like giving each chick a special identity within their flock.
That is so cute! But Crystal, are parrots in danger?
Sadly, yes. Many parrot species are facing serious threats that put them in danger of extinction. One major threat is habitat loss, which means when their homes, like the rainforests and the woodlands, are being destroyed for things like logging, farming, and urban development. Another big problem is the pet trade. Sometimes people capture parrots from the wild and sell them as pets, which can harm wild populations. Also, when their habitats shrink, parrots struggle to find food and places to nest, making it even harder for them to survive.
That is so sad to hear. We need to help them, Crystal.
We can definitely help. Remember, parrots are free birds and have every right to fly with complete freedom. It's very wrong to cage these birds and take away their freedom. By raising awareness among your friends and family, we can all make a difference in the lives of these amazing birds. Remember, it's up to us, the future generation, to make sure they have a place to live. Let's all work together to make sure that animals and humans live in harmony. Let's always be kind and respectful to every creature on this planet. And now, it's question time. Kaia, are you as excited as I am to put the knowledge we just learned today to the test?
I sure am.
True or false? Parrots communicate with each other by squawking and making sounds. The correct answer is true. Parrots do communicate with each other by squawking and making all sorts of sounds. What makes parrots so special? Is it A, their colorful feathers? B, their ability to talk? C, their strong beaks? Or D, all of the above? The correct answer is D, all of the above. What is a parrot's favorite food? Is it A, pizza? B, seeds and nuts? C, ice cream? Or D, a salad? The correct answer is B, seeds and nuts. You guys did great! Kaia and I have to go, but we will be learning fun facts about another animal next week. See you next time on Wildlife Crystal.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Toodles. I'll see you next week.
Toodles.
Don't miss out. Bye-bye.